Today we are making ribbon pakoda, a festival special. It is a crispy, flavorful snack suitable for any occasion. We use a combination of 3 flours, that is sattu flour or fried gram flour, besan and rice flour. We grind the fried gram with some sesame seeds and sieve all the flour separately. To a mixing bowl, add half a cup of sattu flour, 1 cup besan and half cup of rice flour. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of Urad dal flour. Add chilli powder depending on your spice level. Adding salt. Add asafoetida. Now mix the flour or all the dry ingredients together. You can also add ajwain or carom seed powder. Adding about 1.5 tablespoons of homemade butter. We are also heating 1.5 tablespoons of peanut oil and adding this to the flour mixture. Now mix the dry and wet ingredients together. Add water a little bit at a time and start kneading the flour. Continue with this process. This is how the dough should look when you finish kneading. Heat oil in a pan for frying. Grease the Murukku mold well. Add some of the dough to the Murukku press. Press the Murukku press, leaving ribbon-like shapes on the hot oil. When it is done on one side, flip to the other side. Remove from the oil when done. Continue this process till you are finished with all the dough. It is golden brown and crisp. Do make and enjoy this ribbon pakoda on every festive occasion. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bawarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.